Remove the old rope seal from the groove around the door. I like to use a flathead screwdriver to help me with this. Grab yourself a wire brush and go around the edge again, making sure that you can get that door as clean as you possibly can. Now that the door is clean, you want to offer up on a dry run the rope around the edge of the door. Start at the bottom center and work your way around. Remember to puff up the rope and not stretch it out. Now that you know the rope fits, go around the edge with a generous amount of glue. Now that the glue is in, it's time to go around with the rope. Remember, do not stretch the rope, puff it up so then you get a good seal later on, and start at the bottom center. Once you've done that, go around and just pat the rope down into the groove to allow it to stick to the adhesive.